In today's video, I'll show you how to use recall information in Typeform step by step. If you want to personalize your forms by showing users their previous answers inside later questions, this feature makes your forms feel smarter and more conversational. First, open your Typeform account and open the form where you want to use recall information. Now make sure your form already has multiple questions, such as name, email, or any earlier responses you want to reuse. Next, click on a question where you want to personalize the text. For example, you might have a follow-up question like, "How can we help you today?" Now use the recall feature by inserting a variable from a previous answer, such as the user's name. This allows the form to display something like, "How can we help you today, Alex?" based on what the user entered earlier. You can use recall information in questions, descriptions, and even end screens to make the experience more personal and engaging. Before publishing, always preview your form to ensure the recall data appears correctly. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use recall information in Typeform to create more personalized forms. And that's how you use recall information in Typeform. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.